banded luxury cars.
An extended Hummer. Crazy.
Really crazy.
It's open.
No way.
Oh, look at this. Even at a phone here. How many persons would fit in here? At least 20, eh? Completely trashed. This is the front entrance. Crazy, these cars. It's too bad they got vandalized. Whoa. Yeah. Oh my God, yeah. Just look how many buttons are hidden here under this panel.
After a major crackdown on illegal gambling, the CAO was arrested on charges of illegal gambling, money laundering, and operating a criminal organization.
It's only 6.75 liter.
Really nice with this wood.
Nice Mercedes.
Nice purple leather interior.
We should go into the parking lot. Here's a whole parking lot with cars. More limousines here. Ooh. Ooh. Just another limousine here. Yeah, it's a lot smaller also, huh? Much longer than the Hummer. This limousine. Oh yeah. No, yeah, still cool though. They stole the rims, that's nice. See, they went through these cars to find valuables. Yeah, let's go to the parking lot. Here, even a shrine at the parking lot. Shrines everywhere. See the reflectors. What is it, an Audi? It looks like it. Oh, just another shrine.